the design and concept and overall vision we had for this house was really kind of a coastal vibe, more of a Southern California vibe with the exterior of the house especially. Took a lot of design elements from a lot of different buildings. So you can see there's really cool siding, stucco, stone, windows, roof. We start off as a full gut remodel of a basically 7,000 square foot house, and dealing with the delta of going remodel to new construction. We had that long, arduous discussion about what to do and which way we should do it. So it ended up going with the new construction just to give them everything that they wanted, their dream lists, if you will, of everything that they ultimately would ever want to do here. Indoor outdoor living is in every house that we do down here in Hermosa Beach. The design of the outdoor spaces fit with the design of the home very cohesively. You notice all the stonework that runs inside the house, runs outside. One of my favorite things to do is bring the inside elements out. Stone on the fireplace outside, same stone on the fireplace inside. The floor on the inside, same floor material on the outside. Even the pool material, similar to what we have on the inside of the house. So I love that even too. Some of our interior plants, mimic the exterior plants. Infratech's always a fit for most of our properties. There's nothing like being in Southern California. Yes, in the wintertime, it does get a little bit cool, but we still like to be comfortable outside, and having the adjustments on the Infratech units as well is really nice, so you can be as warm or as cool or as tempered as you want to be. And I think, that's a no-brainer for us to use them on most, if not all of our houses. Why we chose Infratech for this property was to have a great dining and entertaining experience. The exterior dining table can be moved away for entertaining because we have the pantry that's right next to it that flows right outside for serving the bar or any type of space like that, but still keeps everybody super, super comfortable. The Infratech heaters that we use in this property are the WD-Series flush mount. The great part about these that I love is obviously that they're flush and seamless when we do this. So these have the white oak T&G ceilings, which are really, really pretty with the stainless steel. And one of the things for me with Infratech that I love is the seamless integration with the home management panel for a smart home. Clients that are building these properties want seamless one-touch with anything that they do. So having that proprietary use that they do is phenomenal and makes our life so much easier. We chose Infratech for the design of this home because of the minimal design. There's limited constraints that we had. We really get to design around the units for what we want. Really safe, really aesthetically pleasing for us and the clients, which is great. And the other competitors don't really have anything even close to that.